Alright guys, welcome to the video. Anthony Special here with Hawkeye Traders. Want to give you a real life kind of example of just how you can identify the most key areas, okay? The most key. Now there's always going to be key areas in the market, but we're talking about the most key areas by just focusing on the volume first, okay? This is what a lot of people miss. They're so consumed in the price action, they forget to focus on the volume, right? Because without the relationship, there's a massive gap, right, in understanding why the price action's doing what it is, right? So we have two wide bars here. This is a daily chart of Nvidia, okay? So making new highs here, Nvidia. We have super strong selling right here, which went on to provide what? Supply or resistance. Okay, and then we had super strong selling here, which went on to supply what? Support or demand. Now, why are they different? Well, that's a great question. That's what we're going to talk about. All right. When you get a surge of volume into a high, right, it could be a climax, what we call. Okay, we call those a volume climax. Right. More than likely, that's what we experienced on both sides of this coin. But when we get a volume climax to the top, it normally starts to create, especially when a wide bar is printed, this magenta bar. It may very well print an area of supply. It may be very difficult for buyers to overcome this area, right? Inversely, when we get sellers to push below and get zero follow through, okay? There's a really good chance that that area, that new wide bar, may provide you support. So while you're focusing in on just the price action more often than not, I encourage you to take a step back, right, and look for meaningful price action that is supported by meaningful volume. Because when the two are in conjunction working together, I mean, you're talking about a night and day ability to understand what's happening in the market. So I encourage you, and I do this myself, all right? Once you download the Hawkeye indicators and you start seeing this magenta wide bar populating, you're going to want to start making notations on your chart. Now, if you're day trading, that's fine. If you're swing trading, that's fine. If you're position trading, that's fine. If you're just analyzing the market on any time frame or any asset, that's fine. But I want you to just pay extra close attention to wherever volume radar dots occur, okay? And I want you to pay extra close attention to where the wide bars print. Because more often than not, those are going to be the most key areas on the chart that can create a story about not only what's happened, but what could potentially happen next. Nvidia was unsuccessful in closing above this candle until this candle occurred. Nvidia was unsuccessful in closing above this candle and went on to not only push higher, but make all-time new highs through whatever supply was resting above. All right? A lot of people would see this and go, oh my God, look at all that selling. I'm going to get short right here. Not me, because I realize that there's a high volume radar dot. I realize that a wide bar has been printed. I would not have any interest getting short Nvidia until we saw a sustained close below this low. And as you can see, from this low, we started making higher lows. Went on to overtake the prior supply area, and now, today, as I'm shooting this video, we are making all-time new highs on Nvidia. So, I encourage you, incorporate that volume into whatever it is your approach is to the market. Right? I want you to download the Hawkeye indicators. I want you to get them up on your computer. I want you to log into the Hawkeye Mastery Volume library. I want you to consume the content in there. I want you to ask whatever questions you may have, because if you're missing the big picture, right, the driving force in the market is volume. And if that's not at the forefront of what you're doing, I promise you, you're missing something that could be game-changing. All right? It was for me, and that's why I'm here to share it with you. So below this video, I'm going to leave some links. Click on them, consume the content. I'll put our contact information down there. Email us, call us, ask any questions that you have. Let us help get you these indicators in your hands. They work on TradingView, TradeStation, NinjaTrader, and MetaTrader. Like I said, you can day trade, swing trade, position trade. You can trade stocks, futures, forex, cryptocurrencies. Doesn't matter. All right? Volume is volume, and you need to understand it. So it's up to you to take the next step. Click that video below, consume the content, reach out to us, get these indicators populating on your screen, study the Mastery Library, and start capitalizing on every opportunity this market presents for you. Guys, I'll see you in the next video. God bless. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you soon.